Good morning. It is 6 in the morning. It is December 4th. I'm just trying to edit my videos. I took these to begin my crochet today because today we are going out and I want to have something begin. So day number 4. Let me cut this part of the video because it will be noisy. And inside this kind of cream color, a little darker than the previous one, and it's a take a nap today. Oh man, I really need one. And actually it say that I have whatever, like a popcorn, popsicle, just pick what I want, something sweet, we'll see. But the nap option is really good. What is the name of this color? Moonbeam. The previous one was cotton white. Almond milk was the second one. So I will make the skin and begin with this one. Chaser, what you doing? Huh? What you doing? Silly dog. I have so much laundry to do. I'm beginning with all the towels that this little monster keep making me use. Now, let's go to get more stuff. I need to do a little of cleaning here. So, look at this mess. Let's get this going. Okay, get everything taken care. I just finished that. But everything else is organized here. And I wanted to show these before anything. This is what I got from yesterday. The material is like foam. It's dried. You put the cord or whatever you want to say, and it's a necklace. So it's kind of cute. Something like a kid really can enjoy to do and then give as a gift to somebody, as a friend. Maybe we should check what is for today. Let's try to do this with one hand right now. Okay, project number 4. Numbers. Let me get this. Okay, number 4. Japan. Let's see. I think I'm right. Okay, number 4 comes from Japan. I'm right, and is a kite wind sock, locally called koinobori. Koinobori. I hope I say it in the right way. And what do we have for this? I think that is all. Okay. So, let's see what they have here. Let me turn the light. Have 2 little sticky dots. I have this green paper that is pre-cut. I don't know if you can see, like circles. I have a blue cardstock light, fishing thread, I will say, or crafting thread. Another yellow one pre-cut in circles, yellow cardboard, cardstock, purple pre-cut, purple, blue pre-cut, and blue. Did they make a mistake and they give me blue instead of green in this one? Maybe, I don't know. So what we will be doing is this fish, but it takes 30 to 40 minutes to create. I think I will do it when I come back. But now we know what are we going to do for day number 4.
Oh, come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Oh, come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. God of God, light of light, lo, he abhors not the virgin's womb. Very God begotten, not created. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ the Lord. Sing, choirs of angels, sing in exultation. Sing, all ye citizens of heaven above. Glory to God, glory in the highest. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him. Oh, come, let us adore him, Christ.
Okay, second, or no, 4th day complete. I need to find the door that I will have to. I don't have to tell my husband because he has to figure it out for himself. There it is. This is the one for tomorrow. Well, I finished doing this part of the with the last yarn. I don't know if you can see, it goes like white, yellowish, a little more going in the brown maybe. I don't know, we will see. But those are the 3 colors. And it's ready for tomorrow. I will also look for number 5 and have ready here for not be making so much noise. And now I'm putting a safe spot. I think I will work on this. Yeah, let's get this.
Tonight, it is our pleasure to present one of the screen's best-known stars, Charlie Ruggles, in a Christmas fantasy by Lou Reed titled Santa Claus Jones.